Hello students, our today's topic of discussion is pivotal joint. We are discussing the types of joint present in our body, present in human body, okay? So our today's topic of discussion is pivotal joint. Pivotal, pivotal joint. Students, in this joint again two bones are connected together. ठीक है? How many bones are connected? Two bones are connected with help of muscles. Okay, bones are connected with help of special types of muscles. Okay, so in pivotal joint also this type of joint is present in our body. So in pivotal joint also two bones are present. Okay, so there is one bone or first bone and there is another bone or second bone. Okay, so students, the first bone is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, first bone is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, and the second bone is in the shape of rings. There are so many rings present in the second bone. Okay, two types of bones are connected in pivotal joint. First bone is in the shape of a cylinder and the second bone is in the shape of so many rings. Okay, for example, this kind of joint, pivotal joint, is present in our neck. Pivotal joint joins our head to the neck. Okay, pivotal joint connects our head to the neck. So how it is connecting? In our neck, various ring-like bones are present. Okay, various ring-like bones are present. These bones are present in our neck. This kind of bone is present in our neck, and from our head a bone is present which is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, from our head a bone is present which is in the shape of a cylinder. So these two types of bones are connected together. This one is the first bone which I am talking about. I am talking that pivotal joint has two types of bone connected. In pivotal joint, two types of bones are connected. Okay, first bone is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, and second bone has so many ring-likes. So many bones are present which in the shape of a ring. This one is the first ring, this one is the second ring, this one is the third ring, and so on. Okay, so many ring-like bones, ring-shaped bones are present. Okay, so these two bones are connected together. These ring-like here the ring-like bones are present. Okay, and this is in the shape of, sorry, here two bones are connected. Okay, so first bone is in the shape of a cylinder and the second bone is in the shape of so many rings. Okay, so here is the second bone which is in the shape of a ring. Okay, so two bones are connected. First is in the shape of a cylinder and second is in the shape of a rings. Okay, so this kind of joint is present in our head and neck. Okay, our head and neck are connected with the help of pivotal joint. Head and neck are connected with the help of pivotal joint. In other part where pivotal joint is present is, students, here also, okay, here also near the elbow pivotal joint is present. Students, see that I am moving my palm like this, na? I am moving my palm in upward and downward direction. Okay, I am moving my palm in upward and downward direction. So this rotation of palm is possible with the help of pivotal joint. Okay, this rotation of palm is possible with the help of pivotal joint. Okay, so I have given you two examples in which pivotal joint is present in our body. First is pivotal joint connects our head to the neck. Second is from our elbow to this wrist. Okay, one kind of joint is present which is pivotal joint. This pivotal joint allows the movement of our palm in the upward and direction or downward direction. Okay, this pivotal joint allows the movement of palm in upward and downward direction. Okay, thank you.